Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Today marks the beginning of week 3, and I just wanted to walk you through the expectations for this week. A few things. So I'm on my Schoology page. There's one thing that I want to address this week, and that is on your Schoology page. Under your upcoming tab, it's going to give you a list of the assignments that you need to work on. Now, this is a really good reminder for you just so that you're working on all of the assignments necessary, but we are running into a problem. And the problem is this: too many students are going to this bar and just clicking on the assignment and then attempting to do the assignment. Now, this only works if you're a really good guesser. This doesn't work because you have to watch the lecture videos and go through the lecture notes first to understand what it is that's being asked of you. So please only use this list if you just need a reminder of the assignments that are due. Don't use this list to just get in here and try to get your work done as soon as possible. Remember, you have to be looking at the lessons and the lecture notes and watching the videos to help you through that process. So just as a friendly reminder, again, just so that you know what the plan is for the week, the best place to start is this lesson plan document. I'm going to open that up quickly. We are on week 3 already, which is crazy. So as you can see for week 3, we are going to be doing a little bit of grammar and a little bit of writing. So actually, we're going to be working on the first 3 lessons for grammar. And then we're going to be working on our first 2 lessons for writing. And then on Thursday, I want you to actually begin writing your first essay. I'm going to walk you through some of the assignments quickly now. So like I said, we're going to be doing some grammar and some writing. So if I scroll down to my grammar unit, I'm just going to show you lesson 1 because all of the grammar lessons will follow the same pattern. So for your tasks this week, I want you to just watch a quick video about an introduction to our grammar unit. That way it will talk you through what the expectations are for every weekly grammar lesson. There's a document that I want you to view. Then there's a lecture video on commas and subject-verb agreement I want you to watch as well. I gave you the notes as well. And then we're going to be practicing our daily practice by using the sentence correction sheet. You'll understand what that means when you watch the Intro to Grammar Unit video. And then also, you will have your first assignment on noredink.com. If you have questions about noredink.com still, keep in mind that you can find information on that resource in the orientation folder on Schoology. And then just as a heads up, your first grammar test is going to be on Tuesday, October 6th. So it's going to be very important that you work on No Red Ink so that you're ready for that test in October. So like I said, the grammar lessons are going to be formatted the same this week. I'll give you the lecture video with the notes. For today, you actually have 2 because the first one just walks you through what the grammar unit will look like completely. I've given you a note-taking guide. And then the sentence correction sheet. Again, this will make sense once you watch the Intro to Grammar Unit video. Okay, so like I said, this is what all of the lessons will look like for our grammar unit. So again, we are working on lesson 1, 2, and 3 this week. When you're finished with grammar, you also need to find our writing unit folder. For our writing unit, you're going to be working on lesson 1 and lesson 2 this week. So for our first lesson, you're going to watch a lecture video. You'll look at the slides as well. And then I've talked you through identifying parts of a paragraph example. Again, that will make more sense once you watch this lecture video. And then there's an assignment that goes with it. For lesson 2, you're going to watch the Writing Nonfiction lecture video. I also provided the slides for you too. And then I want you to actually start working on your first essay. You need to select a prompt. That will make more sense once you watch the videos again. Okay, so I want you to brainstorm the organization of your essay. And then I want you to outline your essay by using the interactive hamburger paragraph graphic organizer. And then it says, using your completed interactive hamburger paragraph graphic organizer, type your first rough draft essay of essay 1 on a new Google Doc. Okay, so this is what I mean by that. Here's the lecture videos I want you to watch. Then you're going to select a prompt. I've given you, I believe, 9 different options, and I want you to choose the prompt that seems most interesting to you. Once you've selected your prompt, you're going to open up this graphic organizer. And the graphic organizer is going to explain to you what you need in each section. Again, this will make more sense once you watch the lecture video. Once you have all of the information typed in here, you basically have your paragraph organized already. Once you have that graphic organizer filled in, then you're actually going to type your essay. Your essay needs to be typed before we conduct the peer edit on Monday, next Monday. So you have to have a rough draft by next Monday, so just be aware of that deadline. One last thing that I want to show you before I close off is that I have made some paper copies for you, and so I'm actually going to move my computer and show you where those paper copies can be located. So I made some paper copies because I know some people prefer the tangible, and so if you would like a paper copy, I have set up a little table here for you, and so you can come to this table and grab what you need. If you notice that the paper copies have run out and you would like a paper copy, you can just let me know and I'll print more copies for you. If you have any questions about anything you're expected to do this week, I'm also going to be offering general support sections. And so if you need extra help, when you sign in to do your adaptive scheduler, make sure that you look for a general support session with me, and then I'm here to help you all week long. Again, if you have any questions, be sure to reach out. Bye everyone and have a good week.